Which everyday substance is actually a mineral? Table salt, sugar, flour, cooking oil. Correct answer: table salt. In a real project, what job did pigeons with tiny backpacks have? Deliver pizza, measure air pollution, guard statues, take tourist photos. Correct answer: measure air pollution. Which planet has a day longer than its year? Mars, Jupiter, Mercury, Venus. Correct answer: Venus.